So how exactly do you attract your dream husband with the law of attraction? Or your dream wife? Manifesting your dream partner follows the same principle as everything else you want to manifest into your life. The best way is to follow my step-by-step guide here. Or even better, sign up for the next round of my free manifestation challenge here. Here you learn step-by-step how to manifest everything you want. But in this post, I'll give you some more specific tips for manifesting the most wonderful thing in the world, love. I had my dream man in the making, glued on my vision board. And this helped me a lot with the first step of manifesting. Order or ask for what you want. To activate the law of attraction, it is important to tell your subconscious mind exactly what you want. Become specific. This doesn't mean that you need to know the exact hair color, size, and favorite food, etc. of your dream partner in the making. Specific is often misunderstood and stresses out most people that attempt to manifest their desires. They believe that you have to decide on things where you are still uncertain about. But it doesn't work that way, and that's not how I manifested my soulmate. For example, I had a picture of June Carter and Johnny Cash on my vision board. They symbolized for me the feelings I wanted to get out of a relationship, the strong bond to the end of a long life. And you know what, it still worked. I manifested my husband and with him my dream wedding in Vegas and my dream honeymoon in Hawaii. 2. Step as expect, believe, or in other words, overcome your abundance blocks and get ready to receive the third step of the manifestation. This step is very important, and in my advanced manifesting course, I have a whole module covering only the topic of abundance blocks. For an overview of these blocks, I recommend you to read this article here. Overcome these common abundance blocks for faster manifesting. But if you want to manifest love and your dream partner, then there is one major block you have to solve first. You have to make room in your life for your new partner. And I'm not talking about clearing out half of your wardrobe. If this helps you to change your mindset from being single to living in a happy relationship, then go ahead, but there may be a lot of deeper sitting blocks than a space problem in your apartment that you should work on first. In my manifesting course, I do a mind, body, life assessment with my students where they examine all areas of their lives to find out what could prevent them from manifesting success and what they still have to work on. 3. Achieve, receive. It's all about taking inspired action. The law of attraction works in such a way that you signal to your subconscious mind what you really want. You then concentrate on this specific outcome, act as if your dream had already come true. You can do this, for example, with the help of a particular law of attraction tool. I had mainly used my vision board at that time. I manifested my husband, Tom. And at the end, when your subconscious mind gives you signals, you react to them. You can select plan below http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more or share to help more people. Thank you so much.